This module explains how to remove and install a tape drive assembly. Depending on the capabilities of your software, you can remove and replace a tape drive while the RLS is powered on. To remove a tape drive, you will need to disconnect any cables that are connected to the drive. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, turn the 2 captive screws counterclockwise until they are loose. Carefully slide the drive carrier out using one hand to support the front of the carrier. To install a tape drive, use one hand to support the front of the carrier and then slide the tape drive into the drive bay. Push on the back of the drive to make sure that the connectors are seated and use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to turn the 2 captive screws clockwise until they are tight. If the tape drive is installed correctly, the drive carrier LED will turn green.